the Sabbath blotted out, then let's find the answer. Since the time of Jesus, we had Julian calendar. Then since 1582, changed to Gregorian. But then, do you notice the same, the weekly cycle? The first day was Sunday, the seventh day Sabbath. The same day in our time, history confirmed. We can hide the truth on the Sabbath day. We can live in heaven, but Sabbath keeper. Yes, my friend, the Sabbath memorial of creation, the birthday of the world, was Sabbath nailed to the cross. Let's see what's the answer. Colossians 2 verse 14, ceremonials blotted out. Bible declare the truth, you shall believe. Some said it's Sabbath of the Jews, they don't like it. But friends, consider this, it's Sabbath of the Lord. Now be thou enlightened, the Bible true. Next reason the other said, afraid for new teaching. Let's find out the answer. Sabbath since creation. Sunday from paganism after apostles. Another reason we have Sunday, my parents keep. Then John 9:41, walk while ye have light. This is the Bible truth that you must believe. Next reason was given, more Sunday keeper. Matthew 7 verse 13, more to distraction. This is the Bible truth that you must believe. The businessman gave reason, Sabbath is stumbling block. Then Matthew 6:33, seek first God's kingdom. This is the Bible truth that you must believe. Then other have to say, Sabbath create trouble. Again, Acts 5:29, obey God can live in heaven, but Sabbath keeper. Yes, my friend, the Sabbath memorial of creation, the birth